Ever wonder why the weather is so hot? Why it only snowed once in Maryland this past winter? Why the ice caps in Antarctica are melting? Many call this controversial topic global warming. I say controversial because unfortunately there are a few people out there that are unable to comprehend the concept of global warming. But with that being said, over the past 100 years, the Earth's surface temperature has increased by nearly 1 degree Celsius. That may seem like a small and insignificant number to you, but that number has huge and drastic effects on our planet. Now, why is this relevant, you ask? If we continue to worsen how we treat our planet, we will ultimately be left with nothing but a hot, humid, sludgy, mud-like existence. With that being said, there is hope. There is a local organization within Maryland that is doing their part in helping lower our carbon footprint and overall doing what we can do to help our Earth. That organization is One Sky. Now, I bet you're wondering if One Sky is credible. One Sky is a local organization in Maryland based out of Tacoma Park, Maryland, with outlets across the country, so you can say it's very credible. One Sky's goal is to build a diverse, society-wide mobilization that will convince our federal government to take bold action in a clean energy future. One Sky is doing its part in fighting global warming and the effects it causes. The 3 main points I want to share today regard the issue of global warming, what causes it, and what it in turn causes. I also want to share that by joining One Sky, you too can help you do your part in lowering your carbon footprint to help put a hold on global warming. And finally, I want to share with you the overall benefits of joining One Sky. So what is the problem? Global warming is the problem. Global warming is the gradual increase of the temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. And in the overall past century, the average temperatures have gone up by over 1 degree Celsius. Global warming occurs when greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane, trap heat inside Earth's atmosphere. On a smaller scale, think you're sitting in your car in the middle of the summer with the windows rolled up. The sun enters the car as heat enters the car, but the framework of the car does not allow the heat to escape. Now, I bet you're wondering if there is a solution to this, and there is. Join One Sky and their movements towards helping slow global warming. Like previously stated, One Sky's goal is to build a diverse society-wide mobilization that will convince our federal government to take bold action for a clean energy future. One Sky is doing its part in fighting global warming and the effects it causes, and you can join them in helping do so. What are the benefits of One Sky? One Sky has created over 5 million new jobs that will help conserve energy, jumpstart the deployment of the new technologies for a clean energy future, and contribute to the positive spirit of our ever-expanding movement. They're also doing their part to help freeze and cut climate pollution as well. They say that the scientific bottom line is that we need to cut carbon by at least 25% by 2020 and at least 80% below 1990 levels by 2050. And with your help, we can make this happen. So we all know for a fact that global warming has already started to have a drastic effect on the Earth in several ways. Arctic glaciers are melting, which is threatening indigenous life. The ice caps melting have also increased sea levels, which in turn will have an effect on all low-lying land. You also know that the ocean temperatures have begun to rise. This has already caused some algae to die, which will in turn affect the entire food chain of aquatic life, as well as increase the water levels more. There are many ways to combat this, and by joining One Sky is the first step. The overall benefit of joining One Sky is to be able to do your part in saving our planet. You'll be able to work with others within Maryland, as well as across the country, to make a positive change, to save all the good and healthy green that covers our planet today. You'll be able to save our planet for many future generations, who will in turn continue to preserve our planet. So now that you all know what is truly happening to our planet, as well as know of a local charity that is working to fix these issues, will you do your part in joining One Sky to help save our planet from a hot, humid, mud-like existence?